Mail call. Drive it, show it, track it. What's up guys, it's your boy Lance. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to my automotive channel. I'm just gonna go right into it. I know I've been putting off this video for quite some time. I kind of had a little surprise that I was gonna keep a secret for you guys. So huge shout out to Airlift Performance. I've been in contact with them for quite some time and I asked them like, hey, you know, I'm already running you guys airlift management for the 3P, but I wanted to run full airlift. So I went ahead, contacted Airlift. After going back and forth with the sponsorship team, I was able to work out a deal to where I can get full airlift hardware. That includes the struts, the bags, everything. Now, if you guys are wondering like, wait, Lance, why do you have another air suspension? So if you guys been watching me, you guys know that the car is already on bags, but this is one thing that I personally wanted to do and I really wanted to work with this company. Today, we're gonna be doing the official unboxing of my Airlift Performance air suspension. But before we do that, if you guys haven't done so already, please make sure you guys subscribe to my automotive channel. And if you guys could, please make sure you guys smash the like button for me. It'll really help push the content out to as much people as possible. Okay, this is not the most ergonomically friendly way of unboxing, but I'm just gonna do it this way. I kind of feel like a kid on Christmas right now with just boxes and boxes right in front of me, but it's not toys anymore. Well, it's adult kind of stuff. I don't want to say adult toys because that just sounds weird. But anyways, other than the Airlift Performance stuff coming in, I also got the Yeezys in. Shout out to my boy Chris. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I know this is automotive content, but if you guys know me very well, you guys know that I'm also into flipping Pokemon cards. I used to do shoes as a side hustle since high school. I kind of got away from it, slowly getting back into it. But shout out to my boy Chris. New Yeezy breads. How does that one guy say it? Don't sleep, I got to eat. Well, I think I said that good. Anyways, before we do the actual unboxing of the Airlift Performance parts, again, I just want to say huge shout out to Airlift Performance for even responding to all of my emails and actually to the guys, the sponsorship team. And I personally never thought I would have got this. I really wanted to go with Airlift because I kind of needed a little bit more of adjustment in height just to clear my driveway. I have maybe like this much of clearance for my driveway. Again, I'm sorry, this is not like the right setting. I wanted to do it in the garage, but we're gonna do it here on my living room floor. And let's get right into it. I kind of already opened this because I was hoping to see if they actually sent my little special request. And yes, they did. All right, so, you know what? I'm just gonna change hats right now. So about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago, I already had an Airlift snapback, but I usually take my pop's Harley out just to get the wheels rolling because he lives in San Fran, so I take care of his bike. And I was wearing my Airlift hat, but while I was riding around the neighborhood, it fell off. So I left my hat, came back home, dropped the bike off, walked back out to the main road to check if my hat was still there, and then it was gone, like in a matter of 5 minutes. So somebody took it, but if anybody has my Airlift hat, you're welcome, have fun with it. Now I got a new one. But they also sent some other goodies. What is this? License plate frame. Oh, nice. T-shirt, lanyard, decal. I'm assuming this is air fresheners and their large decal, which I will run after I get everything done with the car. It's the holiday season. It's super busy right now for me at work, so I'm really trying to find all the time I can. If you guys see me, I go on lives at like 3 o'clock in the morning on my TikToks just to keep myself up while I'm editing. Hopefully all of this will pay off one day. Woo! Look at the packaging, guys. Very nicely packaged. Braided lines. Oh boy, these things are humongous. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to unwrapping gifts, I'm the type to unwrap it nicely. Are you guys the type to just rummage through the gift and just tear it right through? Or are you guys the type to nicely unbox your gifts? Look at that, very nice. Hopefully we can clear the driveway without having to barely scrape it. With the Airlift Performance, you have the knob where you just turn, kind of like your just regular coilovers, to where you can adjust the dampening or the softness of it. But this is nice. Yeah, I'm assuming this is the left front. Yeah, see? So fronts are here. Very nice quality. Can't wait to put these on. Another reason why I chose Airlift, and I've went through countless GTR owners that's on bags like, hey, how do you like the quality of the bags? Do you feel like it's more bouncy and whatnot? Literally on the box, and I guess that's Airlift's motto is drive it, show it, track it. So for whatever purpose you're using the Airlift suspension or the Airlift performance suspension, it'll hold to vast amounts of power. Like I know a couple of GTR guys, they're running well over 1,000 horsepower on air suspension, and it runs just fine. Moving on to the rears. Now, the thing about the rears when installing the suspension on a Nissan GTR, to access the top portion of this, you have to go from inside of the cabin of the car, the back seat, and right under where the speakers are, if I'm not mistaken, is where you're gonna have to be undoing the bolts from there. These things are beautiful. Again, same deal, airline fittings, spanner wrench, dampening knobs, braided lines, all the good stuff. Airlift Performance runs with ODs, sports cars, Euros, JDM, whatever you name it, they probably supplied it. All right, if I just open my eyes, I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but where it says FR, that means front right. So in this box is actually the fronts, and this is gonna be the rears. Again, I just want to say huge shout out to Airlift Performance. Maybe down the line when the channel grows and it gets a lot bigger and we move on to other builds, hopefully we can remain partners. That's gonna be the dream, is to have all my cars bagged with Airlift Performance. I've never had any problems with their 3P management. It's so easy to use. I also like the controllability that you can access it through your phone, through Bluetooth as well. I honestly don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, and I've never thought that I would have had like a company to work with me. I know I don't have like a humongous following yet, but honestly, again, I'm just thankful. So the time to install this is probably gonna be a couple of weeks from now. Right now I'm filming this literally a week before Christmas, so I'm super jam-packed. I have not even started my Christmas shopping yet. And again, I work nights, so work is just really busy. Hopefully I can get the install done. Super excited to get the new Airlift suspension on. But yeah, stay tuned for the videos on the unboxing of my new wheels. It honestly feels like Christmas right now, and I'm super happy to get these in my hands and finally do the unopening or do the unboxing for you guys. But we're gonna get these on really soon. I know we're transitioning right into NSX content, but we had to get this film too. Scarlett called me over. I'm gonna do some stuff. We're gonna do some little detailing on the cars, as well as we're trying to get the new steering wheels hooked up. Scarlett picked up this carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing is ridiculously light. By the way, got the new wheels on. Can't really tell in the shadow, but off bronze gold-ish. I like the new gold and red combo going on. Ketchup and mustard, baby. Or ketchup and... what's the orange sauce?
Sweet and sour?
No, like orange. Because it's like ketchup and... Thousand Island. We're trying to get the cars out on the road tomorrow. We're trying to take it to a meetup, so be on the lookout for back-to-back videos, guys. We're gonna have today's vlog with the unboxing of the new Airlift, and tomorrow we're gonna be taking the two NSXs out on the road. I honestly think the blue wheels would actually look good with the orange. Not saying because I'm a Chicago Bears fan, but I think because of the navy blue with the electric blue wheels. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's all the way right over there. With that color scheme of the navy blue and electric blue wheels with the orange, I think it will look pretty nice. All right, quick change of plans because these bolts over here are stripped and we kind of are pressed for time. Putting the carbon fiber wheel on the orange car instead, and then we're gonna make the switch later on. All right, new steering wheel is on. This thing looks really good. All right, I had to torque the bolts a little bit. Now she's nice and snug. Ooh, I can't wait to drive this thing. Low-key, not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared driving this thing, only because this is not my car, but I'm super hyped to drive this tomorrow. So make sure you guys check out tomorrow's video as well. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. All right, so right now it's about 1:50 in the morning. I just got back home. I'm trying to get all this content uploaded because I need memory for the camera for tomorrow. But yeah, other than that, super excited for what's to come. Huge shout out to Airlift Performance for sending me my fronts and my rear hardware for the air suspension of my GTR. Hopefully we can get that on within the next couple weeks. Make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, where we're gonna go and take out the two NSXs. And if you guys haven't done so, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I literally just logged in today to my account, and we're sitting at, did we hit? Oh yeah, we did. So we're sitting at 1,290 subscribers so far. Hopefully that number goes up by the time you see this video. But if you guys haven't done so, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys can do me a favor, share the channel with your friends who you feel that might be interested in my automotive channel. It'll really mean a lot to me, and forever I'm gonna always be thankful for each and every one of you guys that continue to watch my videos. And if you guys watch towards the end of this video and haven't smashed the like button yet, this is the time right now. Please make sure you guys smash the like button. From what I understand, it kind of pushes out more videos to suggested or whatever. I don't understand how the full thing works. I just want to make videos and have fun, so it'll really mean a lot if you guys can go and help me as well. Share the videos, share the channel. I wanted to end this video kind of on a different note, just because, you know, it's the holiday season and a lot of people, you know, quite frankly, even me myself, it's been a roller coaster of a year. And with all this stuff happening, you know, with the whole COVID and all that kind of stuff, I just want to say, even though a lot of stuff has happened this year, and I know that, you know, some people have been impacted more than others, I feel like for me in this year, and, you know, especially more so in the holiday season, you know, the main things is gratitude and honestly being thankful for what you have. So just looking back from now to what happened within this past year, like a lot of stuff has happened, even though some stuff may be bad, some stuff were very challenging. But even though this year has been such a roller coaster, you know, I'm super grateful for what I have, and super grateful for you guys for watching my videos, you know, the growth. I know right now I don't have like the huge following, and hopefully, you know, maybe we can make this channel big one day. So I'm really just thankful for what I have now, and I'm really appreciative for all that's happened and all of you guys' support. So with that being said, I'm just gonna end the video with that. Make sure you guys check out tomorrow's video, because by the time you see this video, I'm already gonna have tomorrow's video uploaded. So make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's episode, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Remember that you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.